There. In this video, we are going to see how to fix the error release version 5 not supported in IntelliJ IDEA when you create a new Maven project. So first, let's reproduce the problem. Let's create a new project, a Maven project. Next, and demo error. Okay, so let's try to create in this window. And we have created a project now. Let's go to the main and create a Java main class, a main method, and hello to just see if everything is fine. And now if you try to run this should give that error. Yes, release version 5 not supported. To fix this problem, go to pom.xml and copy this code properties, and this version should correspond to the version that you are using as the SDK. So let's get the okay uh, let's get the project structure and see this is Java 14. So I'm giving 1.14 as the version here. Save it. So refresh once. Now, yep. Now let's go to the main and run the program, and it should work now. Yep, here we go.